Question 1. While the transportation infrastructure may shape where we travel today, in the early eras of travel, it determined whether people could travel at all. The development and improvement of transportation was one of the most important factors in allowing modern tourism to develop on a large scale, and became a regular part of the lives of billions of people around the world. Another important factor was the industrialization that led to more efficient transportation of factory products to consumers than ever before. Technological advances provided the basis for the explosive expansion of local, regional, and global transportation networks and made travel faster, easier, and cheaper. This not only created new tourist-generating and tourist-receiving regions, but also prompted a host of other changes in the tourism infrastructure, such as accommodations. As a result, the availability of transportation infrastructure and services has been considered a fundamental precondition for tourism.